Quick review of the Borawat. This is a shiatsu massage, and it's just a cushion, but it has heat. And let me tell you, this is my new best friend. Let's go ahead and get the box open. I'll show you what's inside. I will tell you, I've been using this for a couple of weeks now. The heating is very nice, and it comes very well packaged. No issues there. Well, nice branded box, and there's no assembly required, essentially. Basically, you just come out of the box and you are ready to go. This is a back unit only, so you will need to rest against something. You've got your power adapter, and then it all comes in a bag, and then it's also got a manual. One of the key things that you'll want to know with these, and I think it's probably true with most of these, I'll call them lower end massage units, is that they only go for 15 minutes. So I did read some complaints. If you're looking for something that's going to go beyond 15 minutes, it will automatically turn off. Now you can turn it on right away. In the instructions, they recommend not doing that simply because you'll overheat the unit and then it's going to die prematurely. So all you got to do is on the back of the cushion itself, there is a plug. This device plugs in, and then of course plug it in. It has a very long cable sitting at a desk. I've been able to plug it in and move my chair around a little bit. Sitting on the couch and having this up against the armrest is really nice. And there is a 12-volt adapter. So if you want to work this in the car, you can do that also. And then you have a simple unit here. Now this is kind of annoying when you've got all these cables hanging out of the side here. But once you get everything situated, it's really not that bad of a deal. On the unit here, basically you've got power, there's direction, because it's got these, and these guys dig in good. I mean, I was using this for a couple of days. My back was sore. So it will rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. And again, it heats up really, really fast. There is an intensity level, and then there is a mode, and then a separate button for heat. So you've got some different modes. Intensity is essentially going to be how fast it is going to be. And then of course, direction, clockwise or counterclockwise. At the time of doing this review, this little guy has over 600 reviews at 4.1 stars. Most people very, very happy from the reviews I've read. Most of them are a little frustrated that it turns off after 15 minutes. So overall, been very happy with this little guy.